Financial freedom. Stage 3. Emergency cash fund. Protect yourself. Set up a cash reserve. For what? Unexpected expenses. It could be a major car repair, medical bills, repair of your house, or you might lose your job. Also, you may need to use the money for some of your goals. See Stage 1. It could be down payment on car, house, education, child, or perhaps a well-earned vacation. How much money should I save? Often people will say 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses in cash reserve. But it depends on your job security, health, income, and debts. How should I save to the emergency fund? Allocate a percentage of your paycheck each month. Also add e.g. a part of bonuses, tax refunds, etc. Should I stop when I reach my goal of emergency fund? No. You are looking for financial freedom, right? Review emergency fund. Remember to review your emergency fund and compare it to your goals. Major milestones will change the needs over time, like baby, new job, house, car, etc. Now you are ready for Stage 4. Please subscribe. Happy freedom!